plate of fries for an appetizer. Look at the size of this thing.
It's time to move the RV. It's time to move the RV.
Now my wheels in motion and my windows open with the wind blowing in my hair. I'm driving down the highway, gonna do this my way. I can feel it in the air. Here I go.
Tortilla Flat is a small unincorporated community with a population of 6, and it is nestled deep in the Superstition Mountains in the Arizona Sonoran Desert. The town is located northeast of Apache Junction on Arizona 188, approximately 53 miles from Phoenix. In 1904, Tortilla Flat was established as a town, and it is the oldest operating stagecoach town in Arizona. The town site is small and unique, consisting of a saloon and restaurant, a barbecue patio, the country store, the mercantile gift shop, and a museum.
I set out on a road that I built with my own 2 hands. I met friends on the way, people chosen to make a stand. I felt strong in the sun as I walked onto pastures green. Saw forgiveness together as spaces in between. And I'll be with you through the night. And I'll turn every wrong to right. Baby, we're children of summer, we're meant to be free. Hearted, we're not like the others, no reason to be. And my ventures, they brought me to places I've never been.
The road into Tortilla Flat offers up a ride full of twisties, amazing views of mountains, deserts, and Theodore Roosevelt Lake. Approximately 6 miles beyond the town site, the road changes from asphalt to dirt and gravel. The ride into Tortilla Flat on Arizona 188 has been repeatedly ranked in the top 10 motorbike rides in Arizona. And after spending the afternoon riding it, we can see why.
You fill the darkness with shining lights, yeah. Baby, we're children of summer, we're meant to be free. Honey, we're not like the others, no reason to be. Lady is far in our lungs, so it's too hard to breathe. Lover, I live for the day you and I turn to we.
So we are in Tortilla Flats. Pretty sweet little bike ride. And now I think we're gonna go and have something to eat. I think.
You probably get a sticker.
Oh, a sticker. Is there ever? It's like decorated.
I think we put one up here when we were here.
Dollar bill. Everywhere. We ordered a plate of fries for an appetizer. Look at the size of this thing.
I forget what it even had, but it sounded good.
It's like really good. Oh.
You and I, we're trouble in sight. Beating hearts don't lie. An empty page, a story to write. I'm in love, you're divine, and it's all in our signs. We're going away. Get your bag, check the tag. Decision is made. Lock your door, need no more. It's already paid. Cancel your mail for a while. It's a journey for life, and I'm your ride. Hang on, we'll be long gone. Hang on, I cannot go wrong. God, I'm praying I'm not alone.
So I think we decided that our time in Superior, Arizona has come to an end for now anyway. Maybe we'll come back.
I
We
think we'll
kind of
come
like
back.
it here.
Yeah.
And but yeah, it's time to load the trailer, and there's a few deciding factors. We got back from British Columbia yesterday afternoon. Our fridge has been empty because we've been gone for 10 days.
Bellies are empty.
We stopped for one last meal of the loaded nachos at the
Porter's Saloon
Porter's
and Grill.
Saloon because they're really good.
Yep.
And we had that last night, but now we need food, so we need to go hit a grocery store, so it's easier to take the RV than the bikes. All our water jugs are empty for drinking water, so
time to
easier to
go.
take the RV than the bike. So if it's time to move the RV, it's time to move the RV, and we'll go somewhere else just for a change and see some more scenery, because we haven't been RV traveling in a while,
Like a long time.
like
Over
2.5
like
weeks,
almost 3
probably.
weeks, yeah.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
we don't want the Duchess to seize up on us or anything from sitting, so we're gonna put on some miles.
No idea
a little
where
bit
we're
of miles
going.
anyway.
Well,
I think we're gonna head north from Phoenix.
North.
Yeah, we're gonna go north. Yeah,
north.
we're gonna go towards Phoenix and get groceries and stuff and water, and then head towards Sedona. I've been through there before, and there's some pretty nice country around there. Looking at the weather forecast, it's not too cold. That's kind of the limiting factor with going north. You get up in the mountains north of Phoenix, and it's cold or colder. Canada cold, but colder. And but the weather forecast looks pretty good for the next week, so we're going to
Seize the opportunity.
head that way and see what we find.
Bye.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I'll ever figure out where the road goes.
The time is now. It's now.
Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling